I'm going to be reading Birds Calling at the Ravine and Study, both by Wang Wei. Before I begin, I'm going to explain a bit about what you are going to be seeing. On the top left side, you will see the characters of the poem. On the top right side is what is known as pinyin, which is a transliteration of the Chinese characters into Latin letters. They are both the same words with the same meaning, but are written differently. On the bottom left is a literal translation of the poem from Chinese to English, and on the bottom right is a translation that has been changed so it is grammatically correct and will make more sense to us. First, I will read the whole poem in Chinese, followed by the English translation. Birds Calling at the Ravine. 鸟鸣毡，人像桂花落，夜静春相共，月去镜上鸟，雪明春渐重。I am idle as Omanthus flowers fall. This quiet night in spring, the hill is empty. The moon comes out and startles the birds on the hill. They don't stop calling in the spring ravine. A study. 世事静音各笑语，神往就用开，坐看三彩色，与上人依赖。There's a light cloud and drizzle around the pavilion. In the dark yard, I warily open a gate. I sit and look at the color of green moss, ready for people's clothing to pick up.